Hey, hello guys. Adil is laughing. We are in North Iran, outskirts of Ramsar town, with my good friend Ali Reza. Hi Ali Reza. He's a good guy, and we wanted to show you some of the beauty of Ramsar town and northern parts of Iran. It is not all dry land and arid. It is full of beauty and green lands, as you can see. And there are many scenes like this in the northern area of Iran, plus Caspian Sea. And here is winter now, so trees are kind of like, they look like dead, but soon they're gonna be full of color and beauty and blossoms, of course. So take a look, like 360 of this area. Caspian Sea is over there. I can show you later. Unfortunately, people came here to build some houses. It is not good. It is unfortunate. They're destroying the nature, like any other place in the world. And we're gonna go up there with my good friend Ali Reza and some of, tea and some beverage. Yes. Let's go up there for now.
Let's keep on.
Okay, let's go. As I said, it's a highland area and the air is so cool, fresh, and we're walking toward the place we can see Caspian Sea.
Orange tree.
Yes, it's a garden, orange garden. Let's go. So as you can see, it's winter here, and trees are kind of like dead. Slippery slope, and you can see town from here. It's blurred, kind of vague, but there it is, and Caspian Sea is right beside it, and we're gonna show you that very soon. And stay with us.
So beautiful flowers. گل بنفشه آفساد.
It's beautiful. It's nice, man. Okay, guys, on our way, we found this. It is a bird from hedgehog, and this place probably is the habitat of these kind of animals. It's a beautiful thing. I'm gonna kill Ali Reza with this. And that's Ramsar town, and over there
So beautiful.
is Caspian Sea. Yes, it's beautiful. It's a kind of dreamland. As we mentioned, here is winter now, so you cannot see many green covers here. Area is kind of like dead, but it's still beautiful. This is my town. and the Caspian Sea is kind of like vague now. I don't know why, kind of misty. And yes, these are tea bushes, and there are many of them in here, many of them. And okay, just beautiful.